Cheyenne taking down Bowser. Look at that, Cheyenne taking Bowser down. Uh-oh, Cheyenne getting mad. Cheyenne taking Bowser down. Uh-oh, what's Cheyenne do now? She coming back for revenge? Bowser went too far. Now she's going too far. She's gonna kick his ass. He's going for his legs. Yeah. Don't mess with us, Cheyenne, or she'll get you. She may be small, but she's about bigger than you. Uh-oh. 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 Cheyenne's showing her best.